how you can connect everything. Okay. So the message.
Ma'am, Tanvi is present.
Tanvi, why are you not switching on the video, dear?
Network issue.
Network issue.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I'm going to give you a short note, like in order to memorize. I can see.
the name?
In order to.
Ma'am, Tanvi, can you see me?
Tanvi, let me see. Yeah, now I can see Tanvi. No problem. Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So you can take your lecture note.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I was having a network issue.
Don't take see children, you can write it in your ruled sheet. No need of a workbook. Take to the ruled sheet where you write the notes. Okay. So those who completed the notes, you can write it down of that. You are writing in workbook, no? Do you have the ruled sheets with you?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I write in the lecture note?
You write lecture note now, afterwards copy down. So function of nervous system.
Ma'am, why are we writing in rule sheet?
Ruled sheet, because this is some, it is not in your workbook. It is given in a long answer type question. This is I am going to give you.
Write this in the ruled sheet.
Yeah, ruled sheets. Do you have the ruled sheets, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We have,
Yes,
but
Did you write any of the things in that ruled sheets?
Yes, ma'am.
The muscular system.
Muscular system, you have written 2-3 questions, correct?
Yes, ma'am. We have written.
Okay, fine. So now you can write it down. Chapter 3.
Ma'am, the ruled sheet which ma'am with me. Can I go and take it?
Okay. So those who have ruled sheets, you can take a fresh ruled sheet, because first 2-3 question answers for muscular system. Now you are writing chapter 3, nervous system. You can write down there.
This we should write in lecture note, right?
No, those who have lecture, those who don't have ruled sheets, you can use the
Not
lecture
that,
note.
ma'am. Not that. Now you are writing in the board, we should write in the lecture note.
No, you write in the ruled sheets, because this I am going to give you a short description.
Ma'am, I have both rule and
So that is a class note.
Yeah, class note. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, would you send it in the WhatsApp?
What happened, Sarah? Now you can't write it. What happened?
Ma'am, will you send it in the WhatsApp?
Now why you can't write now, Sarah?
Ma'am, because I'm writing in the lecture note.
That's enough. You can copy down. That is in the ruled sheets. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. You are writing now. So what is the problem?
Ma'am.
So chapter 3, nervous system. In that, steps involved.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of nervous?
NERVOUS, nervous system. Steps involved in function of nervous system. Function of nervous system. Steps. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Clock.
Excuse me, ma'am, there's a clock in there.
Yeah. Wait 1 minute. Let me rub it properly. Chapter 3, nervous system. And under that, you will write first one, function of nervous system.
Ma'am, but before you have write steps involved in function
Okay,
of
those who
nervous
completed, you can write that way also, no problem. Steps involved
Okay,
in.
ma'am.
Now others, those who do not copy, you can write this way. I'm going to give you as a point wise. Okay, like textbook, it is given in big sentences. Now I give you this as a point wise. Okay. Yeah. That's what I am giving you. So first, who is that?
Please
Mute it. Sarah, mute it. Sarah, someone is speaking in Malayalam to someone. Everyone mute it. Because if your mother or someone is near you, you mute and speak. Okay. So first step, part or organ of the body gives message. For example, let us have picking a book. So first step, part or organ of the body gives message. This is the first step. For example, yeah, picking a book. Yeah, picking a book. Eyes give message. Okay, because when you look at the book only, you feel like taking up. So picking a book, eyes give message. So in this, which is the organ which is as the sender? You remember last class we had a role play. Janvi was that person who gives the message. Clear? Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me.
Our doubt.
Second. Now, Felix, please copy down. Then afterwards you will have. Okay. Then nerves. Nerves take the message. Nerves take the message to brain. That is the second step. Nerves take the message to brain. So which nerves? The nerves which is connected to the eyes, because I saw that one. Clear? And who has to pick the book? Our hand. Your hand has to pick the book. So actually, when you see the book, you feel like taking. That is, our eyes is the one organ which is sending the message. You have to pick the book. You feel like, okay. So who has to do that work? Not the eyes, the hand. So hand has to get the message. So nerves take the message to brain. This is done by Geetika in the last class, correct? Yeah. Second step, the message. Kirtana, sorry. Kirtana, okay. The message passes through spinal cord. That is our postman. Who done it? Sarah. The message passes through spinal cord. To reach brain. So to give a clear picture how it is works, the message passes through spinal cord to reach brain. Our brain was Navani. So the part of Janvi over, Kirtana over, and third part is done by Sarah. Now on the basis now Navani, the brain has to reach the message. Brain reads the message and decides to do it. The brain, so Navneet got the message from the Sarah. Then Navneet is now going to send through Tanvi to do that. So that is the fifth part, fifth step. Yeah. From brain, who takes? The nerves. Yeah. Again, the nerves, which is connected to the brain. Yeah. So, nerves. Hello. Please mute it.
It's mute.
Navneet, mute.
Felix, you also mute.
Navneet, please.
I'm
muted, ma'am.
Because some housework is going on some houses. So
That's really, I am muted.
Then when still why the sound is come?
The nerves is muted, ma'am, already.
Nerves connected to brain takes the message from the brain. So that is what done by Manas and Ojas. And now finally it reaches to the So nerves connected. Oh. Started moving again.
Ma'am, don't touch the board, okay? Or it will.
I am not touching here. Without touching, how will I write? Okay.
Then why can't you wait for some time? Without
I am
touching
not.
the board.
I am not touching here. Huh?
Roll a bit down.
This is a sensor board, very sensitive, highly sensitive. Okay, even when I was speaking, my breath can move it. Okay, dear.
Oh boy, that's it. Then
So
why can't you keep a distance
They
from
are
the board?
more sensitive than hamsters.
Ma'am, then you can keep
That
it.
everyone, better I close the door, close the board. I switch off the video and I go find my business. I don't teach at all. Then no problem, no? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Mute it now. Nerves connected to brain takes the message from the brain. Did you get that? Now who said? Who receives the message? Okay. Hands,
Tanvi.
Tanvi. We are not writing Tanvi. Hands, get the message. Get the message from the nerves. From the nerves and do the action. So here it is for so many other process. Instead of hands, you can just write one organ. Okay. Hands get the message
Ma'am,
from
it
the
moved
nerves
again.
and do the action.
Ma'am, the board
Ma'am,
moved again.
Okay,
I can't
fine.
see E.
Someone is entering in my now class. 1 minute.
Ma'am, why
Do
can't
one
you
thing,
keep it?
children, because we are now writing for a common. We are writing. So I can just rub this hands, the organ, because this is for any organ can do the work. Example, I have given picking up, but organ, bracket, you can write hands. That's okay. Organ, get the message from the nerves and do the action. Okay, and do the action.
Can put that hands, that bracket little more big.
Okay, 1
Ma'am,
minute.
how-
It is
how-
1 minute. I am just
Ma'am,
moving.
after action,
One minute. Let me keep it this up. Otherwise, it will be start moving.
And what is this application of this?
Which application?
Sense
the-
board. Sense
Sense
board
board.
is the application. That's why it is so sensitive, Felix.
This is a touch board. Even without any stylus, you can do the actions. All it is the what you call big version of your mobile.
after actions, you can write
Yes.
bracket picking up.
Okay. Yes. Organ.
I think I can install this application in my computer.
Yes, you have. The Zoom already have that board. The Zoom already has.
Really? Whiteboard. Okay, I can.
Shh, keep quiet now.
But even
Keep
if there
quiet
is
now.
whiteboard,
Children, organ, get the message from the nerves and do the action. Then, bracket, you can write picking the book. That's okay. Then it will be.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So, this is the function. Have you explained or have you understand the function one by sentence? So now it is clear, the role play and what are the things you have understood from the nerves.
Ma'am, will you send this note to the WhatsApp?
This notes no need. Now I am making it to write no. Why I need to send again, dear?
ma'am, is this the text, right?
Textbook, it is there. Textbook, it is there, but that is given in little more elaborately. I'm just giving you in a point wise. That's it. That's the only thing. Okay. Okay, dear. If you want, do one thing. 1 minute. Have you all completed, all of you?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, mute it.
No, ma'am.
Mute it now. Please mute it.
Completed.
Oh, okay, fine.
No, ma'am.
Shh. Siddhi, all of you mute it now. What happened to?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I was late for the class because I went to take vaccine.
Okay, it's okay. Those who late, you watch the recorded video. Okay. If you
Ma'am.
miss the class. If you miss the class.
Nasmia, you should write it in your ruled sheet.
Ma'am, can you read the C?
See, the message passes through spinal cord to reach the brain.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
can you tell that last point after
Organ bracket la organ. Now we are with the example of picking the book. Get the message from the nerves and do the action.
Thank you, ma'am. I was not able to see that.
Okay, because of
you
some,
missed.
yeah. And I have written this side then, because there I wrote, but you are not able to see. So I am writing here.
How hands become organs? Hands is a body part, right?
That is I told organ or part. Organ. Hands also organ. Who told it is not an organ?
Hands is a body part, right?
It's a part or organ. We can have both organ or part. Okay.
How organs?
How you don't tell me? How you don't tell me? This nervous system.
Something. Can I say something?
Nervous system. Wait. Nervous system can do the work, control the work of our body parts and as well as organs. Did you get that point? So
Yes,
body
ma'am.
parts also controlled by nerves and organ parts also controlled by the nerves. Got it? So if you want, you can just write here one more word, part. So in the textbook, organ or part is mentioned. Okay. I did not give you because this is understood. Because already nervous system we are learning is about human body and organs. So naturally,
Can I ask something?
Ma'am,
Can I ask something, ma'am?
all are talking. I don't want to listen to anyone. All are talking. I don't want to listen.
Ma'am, Felix. Srihari.
No, I don't want anyone. I don't want anyone to listen. You all are making lots of noise. Simply you're going on just like crows are making noise. Key like that. What is this? Huh? Other 5C, 5D, I didn't see this kind of problem. They are so disciplined. Therefore, unnecessary also you will be make noise. Unnecessarily. Huh? Some of them just read some video, YouTube and simply come and tell all these things. Because that is not, some things what you see may not understand according to your age. So you just see some video on YouTube and come and say this, that. Simply this thing. Okay, fine, Rudra.
I'm bored.
Okay, Rudra, you have seen it. Oh, I saw it, Rudra. Thank you.
I'm bored.
Doda, have you completed it now? Such a long time. you
Yes,
take.
ma'am.
No, it's not completed.
Yes, ma'am.
How much time you are taking, dear children?
Ma'am, I am E.
I am E. Fast. Fast.
Ma'am, when you talk, the board is going down, so we can't write.
I don't talk. You talk. Okay. Okay, children. Have you completed? Oh, this current is coming and going.
And
Getting irritated.
there are two and in the
Okay.
and after from the nose and there are two ends after from the nose.
I didn't get you. What I was saying? Two hand off.
Ma'am, in the F
Ma'am,
after nerves, you have given two and that only she's
This is
saying.
someone, your photo was there. Your video was there. So some did not see that and. So that's why I wrote it again here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, now you came to this side. It was like this. So some child, I could not see, ma'am. So I wrote it there. Okay. Now it is removed. So it is come. Okay, fine. Shall I change the board here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, okay, children. So this is about nervous system. Any doubt how the nerves are working, children?
Siddhi,
Okay.
can you take a screenshot
Okay.
and send it in the group?
I will type it and send it. This is I will not send it because it is only writing. No, I'll send it typed material. I will send it. Okay. Okay, fine. Typed material I will send it because this is in the board. It is not good to see in the WhatsApp. I know it. Okay, because I don't have a beautiful handwriting. I know that's why. Okay, children. Okay, now we are moving on to the next part, sense organs. What is the sense organs to do regarding the
We should write in
nervous
lecture
system?
note.
Yeah.
This we should write in lecture note.
No, in the ruled sheets, you can write the name of the 5 sense organs. Then afterwards, you can
Okay.
write it, explanation which you require. Okay, dear? So we have,
Okay, ma'am.
everyone knows about it. Which are the 5 sense organs? Navaneet,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
tell me? Navaneet, you tell me which are the 5 sense organs you learned in small classes onwards. Hmm.
Ma'am, eye,
Yeah, Navaneet.
nose,
Eye, nose. Yeah. Then what
ear,
else? Ear.
skin,
Skin. Okay, good. Then what is the last one?
tongue.
Tongue. Okay. So my dear, these are the 5 sense organs. Okay. So write as the second question, 5 sense organs. Second one, you just write it down, 5 sense organs. Number 2.
Ma'am, time is up. No, it's only
11:50, no?
It's 11:50. It's 11:50 only.
Yeah. So you can write it. Number 2, 5 sense organs. You have learned in small classes, I know. Like in 3rd standard onwards, you are learning about 5
Ma'am, I
sense
can't.
organs. Okay. So 5 sense organs. So first one, you are going to write. Okay, so first one you will write nose. For what? Put hyphen and you write it there, hearing.
Ma'am, can you
Nose.
see the heading?
Heading is 5 sense organs.
Ma'am, nose
Number
here.
2. Sorry.
Nose
Sorry.
Smelling.
Smelling, sorry.
Smelling.
Wait 1 minute. Children, let me write this. You write smelling. 5 sense organs. Okay, first one, what I said?
Smelling,
Nose.
smell. Nose.
Nose. For, instead of smelling, you can write for smell. That's best idea. Number 2, eyes. Eyes for seeing. Sight.
See.
Sight or seeing.
Sight.
Sight or seeing. You have, it is already given in the boards. Then we have ears. Ears
I have a doubt. I have a doubt.
for hearing.
I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Ma'am,
Next
we
is-
should write 5 sense organs and write the 5 sense organs like that.
You write 5 sense organs. Under that, write like this. First nose, second,
Okay,
third,
ma'am.
fourth. Like that. Okay, dear? Okay. For skin, for feeling. For feeling.
Ma'am, or touch.
You can write it there, sense of touch. Not for
Ma'am, we can
touching.
write.
Not
Excuse
for
me, ma'am.
touching, sense of touch. Now, fifth one, we have what we have? Nose, eyes, ears, skin. Which is missing? Tongue.
Tongue.
Yeah.
Choose for taste.
For taste.
Yeah. For
For
taste.
taste.
Tasting.
For tasting or for sense of taste.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we can write
Yes.
choose taste.
Yeah, you can write like that also. Both ways correct. Sorry. For taste or for tasting. Okay, dear?
English.
Yes. Eyes. Now, what is the function of these things in nervous system? Because I have told you, picking the book, the previous session, when I explained to you, we did an example of picking the book. Actually, what the sense organs does, sense organs helps to identify the need of the body. For example, now I want to speak to you. So my tongue feel that as a person, I am the teacher of your class, should speak. So my tongue should start. So tongue will send the message through the nerves, through the cord and to the brain. Okay. Then what does do? The brain will understand that, okay, the teacher has to, Dixon teacher has to speak. So brain will be send that message again through the nerves to my tongue. Okay. And then I get the words. What are the things I should speak? Now, if I want to speak, I should read your book also. I should know what is in your textbook. So eyes also helping to understand the need of that. Okay. So not only
Ma'am,
tongue,
can I say something?
not only tongue, eyes. Okay. So the sense organs only understand the need of your body
Ma'am,
to send the
I
message.
have a
Ma'am.
doubt. Ma'am,
for some people, when we read off one line, they will go to the third line. So sometimes some people should keep the finger and read. So in that, the finger will be also helping, right?
Yeah, that is for some rare cases.
ma'am,
Maybe
can
some
I
of the
say
students,
something?
did not concentrate on what they read. So naturally, this happens.
Can
Okay,
I say something?
say,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
say.
Ma'am, in the tongue for tasting, can you write taste for taste?
I told you, you can write for taste also.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
told already. Okay, so now you have to write third point. You have written function of nervous system. Then
Ma'am,
you wrote
we
with
should
the
write
sense organs and
Ma'am, can
under
I
this,
ask a
in
doubt?
the
All
ruled
right
sheet.
in the rule sheet.
In the ruled sheet, again you can write
Ma'am,
what
can
is the, write down, what is the function of sense organs in the nervous system. What is the function of sense organs in the nervous system? So answer is sense organs.
Ma'am, your handwriting is good. Only.
Sense organs help. Okay, sense organs.
Ma'am, I am
Help.
telling truth only.
My hand.
Ma'am, not hand. Your handwriting is so good. Ma'am.
Ma'am, can you say to Felix mute?
Mute it. Some other sound is coming. Sense organ help us to. Sense organs help us to. Did you write? Sense the things around us. Sense the things around us.
Ma'am,
In order to do an action. This is the function of sense organ. Sense organ help us to sense the things around sense the things around in order to, this is not the only AROUND, okay, around, in order to do an action. Okay, sense organ help us to sense the things around. Sense organ help us to sense the things around in order to do an action. Okay, dear?
Ma'am,
So-
your handwriting is good. Better
Who
now.
said? It's very bad. I know.
No, ma'am. Yours is now better, ma'am.
No, some of your handwritings are very
Yes.
beautiful. I see. Okay, children. So continue writing.
Nice
Your
idea, but
attendance and
I
everything
don't
will be taken in the last period because I have seen you lot of students. Some are missing in the class. So last period only I will be taking the attendance. You complete it now. Okay. Yes. So almost time up now.